In the heart of southeastern Nigeria lies a state that has quietly earned the respect of many, Anambra State. Beyond its fame for industry, commerce, and education, Anambra stands out for something more subtle but power, cleanliness, and civic pride. From Awka to Nnewi, from Equilobia to parts of Onitsha, streets are getting cleaner, drains are being cleared, and people are beginning to take ownership of their environment. But how did this happen? It didn't start with government policies alone. It began with a mindset, a belief deeply rooted in Igbo culture that Ocha Bundu, cleanliness is life. Clean cities in Anambra are not accidents. They are the results of communities that work together. Youth groups, traders, town unions, all doing their part to keep their surroundings in order. You'll see it in the weekly sanitation drives, in the way people sweep in front of their shops, and in the pride with which residents speak of their hometowns. For many, it's not just about beauty, it's about identity, because a clean city reflects the soul of a disciplined people. In Anambra, cleanliness is more than a government effort. It's a cultural value, a collective responsibility, and a quiet revolution shaping the future of the East.